Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Speakzeno English podcast. If you are new here, a big warm welcome to you. This is the place where you don't just learn English from books, you actually learn how to speak English in real-life conversations. I'm Jera, your host, and right here with me is my amazing co-host, Alex.
Hey everyone! We are really happy to have you here today. Our goal is very simple. We want to help you speak English naturally, without fear, without pressure, and without boring grammar stress.
And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Speakzeno English, because every episode we create is designed to help you speak better English, think faster in English, and feel confident in real conversations.
Yes, and trust us. Once you start watching these episodes regularly, you will feel a big difference in your speaking.
All right, today's topic is something everyone struggles with. Learn how to mostly never run out of things to say in real conversations.
Oh yes, that awkward moment when your brain suddenly stops working.
Imagine this. You are talking to someone. Maybe a friend, maybe a stranger, maybe someone you just met. Everything is going fine, you're smiling, relaxed, confident. Then suddenly, your brain goes completely blank.
No words, no ideas, no sentences, no direction, just silence.
And inside your head, it becomes chaos. Say something. Quick. Don't be awkward. Think of something smart.
And because of all that pressure, you end up saying nothing.
First thing I want you to understand, you are not bad at English. You are not boring. You are not the problem. And you are not alone.
Even native speakers feel this sometimes.
Even confident people.
Even social people.
So relax. You are completely normal.
So why does this happen? The simple answer is overthinking.
Your brain is not empty. It is actually too full.
When someone talks to you, your brain gives many ideas at the same time. Say this, say that. Don't say wrong thing. Sound smart. Don't be weird.
And then your brain becomes a filter machine. This is not good enough. This is too simple. This is too risky.
So everything gets blocked and you go silent.
Now listen carefully. This is powerful. The 3-second rule.
When you get an idea in your mind,
say it within 3 seconds. Don't wait. Don't filter. Don't overthink.
because if you wait, your brain will delete it.
Someone says, I like music. You can say, me too. What type? I listen every day.
Simple English is powerful English.
Speak messy. Speak real. Speak human.
If you don't know what to say,
stop trying to talk. Start asking. Where did you go? What happened? Why did you choose that? How did you feel?
curiosity removes pressure.
One question is not enough.
Ask, listen, follow up, and repeat.
I went to Dubai. When? With who? What did you eat? What surprised you?
Now it becomes a real conversation.
Every sentence has many topics inside it.
Example, I started a new job in a new city.
You can talk about job, city, experience, feelings.
You are never stuck again.
Good conversation is balance. Too serious, boring. Too simple, dead.
Mix both.
Brain freeze?
Brain freeze?
No problem.
Talk about surroundings.
Or go back to something earlier. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
What do you do?
I'm a student. I work and study English.
What do you like doing?
I watch movies. I listen to music. I talk with friends.
Simple English equals natural English.
You don't need perfect English.
You need practice.
You need courage.
And you need consistency.
Speak more. Think less. Don't fear mistakes. Just communicate. That's it for today's episode.
If this helped you, please share it with someone who struggles to speak English. This is Speak Zeno English. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.